Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your Kalanchoe plant. First, let's cover the basics. Kalanchoes love bright, indirect light, so place them near a sunny window but avoid direct, harsh afternoon sun. When it comes to watering, feel the soil. If the top 2 inches are dry, it's time to water. Always ensure your pot has good drainage to prevent soggy roots, which can quickly lead to problems for your plant. Next, let's talk about their ideal environment. Kalanchoes prefer a well-draining soil mix, like one formulated for succulents or cacti, to prevent waterlogging. Keep your plant in a comfortable room temperature, ideally between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. They don't need high humidity, so average household levels, around 40 to 60%, are perfectly fine. Avoid cold drafts or sudden temperature drops to keep your Kalanchoe happy. Now, let's discuss feeding and shaping your Kalanchoe. During its active growing season in spring and summer, feed your plant monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength. Regular pruning is key for a healthy, attractive plant. Snip off spent flowers to encourage more blooms and trim any leggy stems. Pinching back the tips will also help your Kalanchoe grow bushier and more compact, giving it a fuller appearance. Finally, let's cover some common issues and a helpful resource. Keep an eye out for pests such as aphids or mealybugs. If you spot them, treat your plant quickly with an insecticidal soap. If your Kalanchoe's leaves are turning yellow, it's usually a sign of overwatering, so let the soil dry out more between waterings. And speaking of valuable insights, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. You can find a link to this book and other great deals in the description below. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.